You've probably noticed that Ghibli-style images are trending all over social media. If you're wondering how to create these stunning visuals, this video is for you. And it's not just about images. I'll also show you how to bring them to life with videos in the same enchanting style. To create these beautiful Ghibli-style images, we'll be using none other than ChatGPT. OpenAI recently introduced its powerful 4.0 image generation feature, and it's absolutely mind-blowing. I'll be using it to generate and edit Ghibli-style images effortlessly. First, log into your ChatGPT account and access the image feature by clicking on the three-dot menu in the prompt box. From there, select the image option and you're good to go. Now, simply type your prompt in the text box. For example, Ghibli-style animation, a young man in casual dress standing on the road looking at the camera while a young woman glances at him. Hit enter, and just like that, ChatGPT starts generating the image. And look at this, the quality is insane. The details, the colors, everything is just perfect. What's even cooler is that you can edit these images with simple text commands. Say I want to remove the girl from the image. I just type remove the girl, hit send, and boom, the image updates instantly. And if you want more precise edits without changing the entire image, use the pencil tool. Just select the area you want to modify. Describe the change. For example, remove the house. Hit send, and ChatGPT seamlessly edits the image while keeping everything else intact. This means you're not just generating high-quality Ghibli-style images, you're also customizing them with ease. Now, let's take this a step further and turn an existing image into a Ghibli-style masterpiece. With the image feature enabled, click the plus icon, choose Upload from Computer, and select your image. Once uploaded, type Turn this image into Ghibli style and send it. After a short wait, the transformation is complete, and your image now looks like it belongs in a Studio Ghibli film. But what if you want to go beyond images and create a Ghibli-style video? That's where Step AI comes in, a free AI video generator that brings your images to life. Once you're on the Step AI homepage, create an account, log in, and upload your image. Then, in the prompt box, describe the subject and its action. Hit send, and let the AI work its magic. After a short wait, your Ghibli-style animation is ready, and the results are absolutely mind-blowing. And if you don't have an image, you can generate a video directly from a text prompt. Just describe your scene, include additional details, send the prompt, and Step AI will generate a high-quality animation for you. So now, with ChatGPT and Step AI, you can effortlessly create stunning Ghibli-style images, edit them, and even turn them into breathtaking animations, all for free. If you want to join this trend, definitely give this method a try. All the links will be in the description. Before wrapping up, I'd love to hear about your experience with Ghibli-style image and video generation. Share your thoughts and results in the comments.